What's up, everybody? It's the weekend. You know what that means. We're back at the creek looking for more gold. I've got Will with internal compass down here. We got TinyLimo down there. That's right. We're back again. Same spot looking for more gold. We'll come back to you guys when we got first runs and first cleanups. Alright, we got Will, internal compass of NC. He's already got a pan. Oh yeah, there's nice gold in there.
It's got one test pan, so I'm gonna run that.
Oh yeah, we got TinyLimo down there, and we are back on the creek again. Come back to you guys when we start running. Alright, I've got my first half bucket here. About to do the good old half bucket first test run. See how it pans out. I'll come back to you guys when we start cleaning it up. Alright, I just got done with my first half a 5-gallon bucket run. It's not as much as I was hoping, but we do have some gold. It's not bad. Not bad at all for, I don't know, maybe a third to a half a 5-gallon bucket. So I was just digging right there. So we're going to do some test panning around, and we'll come back when we got some more cleanups. Alright, trying to make my way down here to John. He's got to clean up. Alright, let's see what you got here. Oh yeah. Look at all that. That's a nice bit of gold. A lot of black sands too.
Massive amount of black sand.
Alright, we'll come back to you guys when we do some more cleanups. Alright. It was getting cold out here this morning. So we built a little impromptu fire to keep warm. Now Will's gonna get some firewood.
I am.
Alright, now back to finding gold. We got Will over here panning by the fire. Yeah, it's his first cleanup right there.
Keep going. Go a little deeper, maybe.
That's right. We're still filling my bucket up over here and tending the fire. Alright, come back. Alright guys, we got another cleanup. TinyLimo is doing his due diligence with firewood. Fire's going nicely. And I've got my second cleanup here. Much better than the first. Check that out. That's a lot of nice gold.
Oh, shit. Oh, you had to zoom in.
It's pretty good. Alright, we'll come back when we got some more runs. Alright, we are starting run number 3. Let's hope there's some good gold in here. I was getting deep down into the hole I've been at, so we'll see what it's got. Put my glove on so I can shovel some of the dirt in there. We're running and we're filming.
Number 3?
Yep.
Looking good. Look at that technique. Love it. Justin calls it cannon stuff.
Right. Alright guys, we're going to finish this bucket off and we'll come back to you and show you what's in it. Alright guys, coming back to you. I got another cleanup. Everybody just pretty much did a cleanup. I got some nice chunky gold. It's pretty good. You can see it all the way from here. Got it from that hole right there. So we're just going to continue to dig and see how much gold we can get at the end of the day. Alright, John's got to clean up here. Yeah, he's got a nice ring. Nice little ring around the top of the pan there.
Pretty, pretty.
Yeah, just for shoveling the top.
Alright, we are currently running bucket number 4.
I figured I'd find a ring about every 1,000 days. He always gets in stuff and get the quicker than second. You never remember the second. I was down there one day and I found them. I found a dozen beer cans and they were deeper than I could reach with a hand. So I buried them. sprayed them back. Come back there about a month later, find the same fucking dirt again. It's like you're coming out this time. When some lady was watching, she said, "Oh, I'll take them to the trash." And I mean, the trash can was like 20 feet away. She said, "Come on." I mean, damn ways you can get one right there and just bury it.
All right, we'll come back with a cleanup.
One day I go home, it's like sounding better, it's the damn radio tires there, it's about 4 foot deep in the dry sand. And the little ladies watching me, what
All right, guys. We just got done running bucket number 4, I believe. You can't see the hole because there's a big glare, but take you around this side and show you. There you go, you can see it. So I've dug out basically a big L, all that, and we're gonna see if the gold gets better out of that hole. All right, we're gonna pan out what I just ran and we'll come back to you. All right, video update. The fire's still going. We're still digging. I've got 2 buckets of material to run, and my hole, well, it's deep. You just can't see it yet. So, we're gonna run this material, and I'll come back when we got both of these buckets run and show you the gold we get from it. Alright, I think it's around 4:30, I don't know. We've been out here all day. I basically just stopped filming my cleanups because there's so much black sand that every time I get some gold tapped to the top, I snuff it up and I continue to find more gold buried underneath the black sands. So I'm just going to do a final reveal before we leave here. I think I just ran those 2 buckets, found a good bit of gold in there, a lot of nice big flakes. I've got it all in my snuffer bottle. And here is the update on the hole. Losing my balance. Oh, you can't see it because the glare. There you go. Pretty deep hole. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get the very last bit out of the bottom there, and I'm just going to pan it out into the Garrett Super Sluice. Which brings me to my next point. My 750 subscriber giveaway. I will be giving away 3 prizes to 3 different individuals that are subscribed to my channel. And those 3 prizes are going to be, number 1, an RPE sluice. Robinson Prospecting Equipment Backpack Sluice. That goes to anybody that is chosen in the first place position, but that's only for US subscribers only. So if you're drawn in the first place and you're not a US subscriber, I'm going to send you a Garrett Super Sluice pan instead. And second place and third place, you're also going to get a Garrett Super Sluice, brand new. So 2 Garrett Super Sluices and a backpack RPE sluice sent directly to your door. So subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, we'll come back to you with our final gold takes for the day. Alright guys, we just got done running. We're worn out. TinyLimo decided to go up and pan out a hole that he knows a little bit farther up the creek, so we're packing up. I don't know, it's probably 5 o'clock. Fire's gone out. Ran a lot of buckets. I need to fill my hole in a little more, and I'm almost done packing up. So what we decided to do is go ahead and do a snuffer dump for you guys and show you exactly how much gold we ended up with. Let me fix my pan here and I'll show you how I fared for the day. Look at all that. Not too bad. Not too bad if I say so myself. That's quite a bit of gold. Alright, Wills.
What I got for the day.
Boom. Put some water over it. It's a lot of gold. A lot of hard work. We've been out here since, what, 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. And I don't even know what time it is right now. I think it's like 4:30ish. So another very long day on the creek. And well, I'm gonna go ahead and snuff this gold up, and we'll see you guys at home on the scales. Alright, John got back from panning up the creek. Hold on, I'm gonna show you snuffer dump. Had to jet dry his pan real quick. Alright, here is John's snuffer dump. Boom.
Oh, he gave me a drop.
It's quite a bit of nice gold.
Yeah, there's one over there too.
It's pretty good. Alright everyone, we just cleaned up the gold from that weekend. A lot of nice gold in there. Let's weigh it up. .184. Not bad. Alright. You know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment below. Alright guys, until next time, we're out.